Welcome back to Sunday Pips. In today's video, I'll be showing you my best pairs to trade for next week. EURUSD, weekly bullish, daily bearish, lower high, lower low, 4-hour bearish. Since we got most time frames going down, I'll be looking for sales. I'll wait for a pullback into the zone, then a shift of structure on the lower time frames to then take the trade down. 30-minute will most likely go bullish to create that pullback on the 4-hour. It will probably look something like this. Probably body candle close above this lower high, making it bullish. I will then wait for it to shift structure. This is where I will take the trade if I get an engulfing candle. Stop loss will be somewhere above this zone. Take profit, second zone down here. But I guess I'll have to watch out for this zone too, this area, since came into it and then price went up. EURCHF, weekly bullish, higher high, higher low, daily bullish, higher high, higher low, 4-hour bearish, lower high, lower low. Since we got most time frames going up, I'll be looking for buys. I'll wait for 4-hour to break above the zone, retest, and then within this retest, I'll go down to the lower time frames, wait for a shift of structure, engulfing, I take the trade, stop loss somewhere about under this zone, take profit, daily structure point somewhere around here. And if price continues heading down, I'll wait for it at the second zone, wait for the same thing, shift of structure on the 4-hour, and then pull back. Within this pullback, I'll go down to the lower time frames, shift of structure, engulfing, take the trade, stop loss somewhere under this zone. This would then become my first take profit, because whenever we're under it, price tends to go down. For example, right here, retested it from below, went down. Right here too, closed under it, blue candle retest, continue down. Back here too, pull back, retested it, pull back. So I'll have to watch out for that. But if everything goes great, take profit, final take profit will be up here. GBPUSD, weekly bullish, daily bearish, 4-hour bearish. I'll wait for a pullback into the zone, shift of structure on the lower time frames, then look for shorts. Let me see if 30-minute will probably 30-minute might go bullish. If we come back into the zone, 30-minute will probably close above this lower high. I will then wait for a shift of structure, engulfing, take the trade, stop loss somewhere above the zone, take profit, take profit. This right here will be my first take profit. Wicked into it, price went up, used as resistance, wicked into it, price went down. This right here will be my first take profit, but if everything goes great, second final take profit will be this zone right here. First take profit, final take profit. USDCHF, weekly bearish, bullish. This the lower, this the higher low, and this up here the lower, the higher high. Daily bearish, lower high, lower low, 4-hour bearish, lower low, lower high. All of the time frames are going down. Let me see, the only thing I'll be waiting for, 1 hour is already bullish, bearish. So I will need for price to stay around this area until London session opens, when the market opens. And then I will take the trade if I get an engulfing, another engulfing, since we already have, no, it's not an engulfing, it's just an evening star pattern. So I'll wait for an engulfing candle. Once I get an engulfing candle, I will take the trade. Stop loss will be somewhere above this lower high, or just above this zone. Take profit, Take profit will be the daily structure point, but I have to watch out for probably this area since let me see. Yep, take profit will be at this line right here, because right here price wicked into it, reversed, wicked in, I mean body candle, the candles, the body candle bodies touched it, touched the line, it went up, wicked into it, went up, and then back here too it went up. So this right here will be my first take profit. Second take profit or final take profit will be at the daily structure point, or if 1 hour goes bullish, if it ends up doing something like this, closing above this lower high, I'll wait for it to shift structure, and then I'll wait for an engulfing candle, and if I get it, take the trade, stop loss somewhere above this zone, take profit, same area as before, take profit 1 somewhere around here, take final take profit, daily structure point down here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss next week's analysis, and I'll see ya next week on Sunday.